In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Alor Broker in Tradingview. We'll walk through the entire process step by step. So even if you're new to Tradingview or to connecting brokers, you'll be able to follow along easily. By the end, you'll have Alor linked to your Tradingview account, so you can place trades directly from your charts. First, open your web browser and go to the official Tradingview website. You can simply type the address into the browser's address bar and hit enter. If you already have an account, make sure you're logged in. If not, it's a good idea to create a free account so your settings and connections are saved and available next time you log in. Once you're on TradingView, look for the option called Supercharts. Depending on the current layout of the site, this might be labeled as Chart, Advanced Chart, or appear as a button or menu item that takes you to the main charting interface. Go ahead and click that. This will open the full chart workspace, which is where you'll be able to connect your broker. When your chart is open, move your attention to the bottom area of the screen. You should see a tab or button labeled Trading Panel. Click on Trading Panel to expand it. This panel is where TradingView lists all the brokers and paper trading options that you can connect to your account. After the trading panel opens, you may only see a few featured brokers at first. To see the complete list, click on the option that says Show All Brokers. This will expand the view and display every broker that TradingView currently supports in your region. Now, in the list that appears, look for a search bar or a filter box within the trading panel. Click on that search field and type Alor Broker. As you type, TradingView will filter the list and show you the matching broker option. Make sure you select the correct Alor entry from this list. Once you can see Alor Broker in the panel, click on it. TradingView will then show you a button or prompt to connect. Click the Connect button. At this point, you'll usually be redirected to a secure login window where you'll need to enter your existing Alor account credentials. Make sure you enter them carefully and only on this official connection window. After you confirm and authorize the connection, TradingView will link your Alor account to your chart. When the connection is successful, you should see Alor listed as your active broker in the trading panel, and you'll be able to place and manage trades directly from your TradingView charts.